Welcome to the channel. Got a knife unboxing for you, and this one's from a brand called CIVIVI, and it's a newer company. They've been around since about 2018. Their focus is on bringing innovative, well-designed, well-made products to the market at an affordable price. And as much as I love Benchmade and Spyderco, there's definitely a premium involved with those brands. So very happy to see CIVIVI coming to market, and this is a sub $35 everyday folder. Let's get started. Let's get this thing out of the box and take a look. Nice to see a branded heavy-duty pouch. Even branding on the zipper. That's cool. Especially for a $35 knife. Spent hundreds of dollars on knives and not gotten anything that nice. But it's all about what's on inside, and there's our first impression. Got some very nice case candy, as we call it. Got some instructions. Very cool marketing here from CIVIVI. Nice to see. And there's our knife. Just kidding. But that's a cool touch as well, including our microfiber cloth. Great touches from this value folder so far. And there's a good shot of that furry lined case, which that's a great touch and much appreciated from this brand. All right, it's all about the knife though. And this is a flipper. This is our Mini Praxis, and it is beautiful. I love the G10 scales. This is a D2 blade, and beautiful first impression there. First thing I always check is our blade centering, and it looks spot on. Beautiful lines on this thing. And let's zoom in a little bit and get a closer look at the appointments. Got a lot going on here. Again, this is strictly a flipper. There's no thumb studs, but loving the texture of this G10. It's a perfect balance. Very pocket friendly yet grippable, and beautiful beveling here at your liners and scales. Wonderful fit and finish on our first impression here. We got a deep carry clip. This one's not brushed, and I didn't know what I was going to think about that at first, but I think that's going to actually be more versatile. It's going to give you more of a formal look if you're doing a gentleman's carry or in a more formal setting. Very nice powder coat-esque finish. This is a right side only tip up carry. It is not a reversible clip, but perfect for me. There's our branded pivot screw plate there. Some great details, and we haven't even flipped this thing open. We do have a skeletonized liner, so we've got some lightweight there. We got our barrel spacers. Some very aggressive jimping there on our flipper. Let's get this thing open. Let's deploy this. Very nice with our ceramic caged bearing. And I will put specs up on here. This is a very lightweight, beautiful knife. It's the perfect size. I don't know what to think about that big finger choil there, but definitely adds some character. Mostly flat grind here with that D2 satin finish. Just a classic, beautiful look about this knife. And it's a smaller knife. Overall, the blade length is 2.98 inches, so sub 3-inch blade. There's a good look at our liner lock. Again, the tolerances on this thing look very nice. Plenty of resistance and grip on that liner lock lever there. Wow, what do you think? Very lightweight. This knife weighs 2.7 ounces. Are you kidding me? Or under 79 grams. That's very, very nice for a lot of uses. And the blade is very significant. I mean, for as small as this package is, you're getting a very robust blade. Beautiful look there at that D2. Man, I'm just loving this knife. Wow. Very, very impressed. CIVIVI, well done. I mean, this could be my new EDC knife forever. Are you kidding me? $30? Pricing subject to change, but right now, I'll put a link in the description. You can pick this up all day for under $30. $29.99 is what I picked it up for on Amazon. But my goodness, what a awesome knife. There, I said it. Let's confirm our weight real quick. We are under 2.8 ounces. And grams, we are at 79 grams. Very lightweight. Great EDC specs on this knife. So how's this stacking up next to my current EDC? This is a Spyderco Tenacious. For many years been one of the best value folders out there, arguably. But these have gone way up in price. I mean, the Tenacious is a lot larger knife for one, but these have gone from the $35 range. They're in the $60 to $70 range nowadays. And our CIVIVI, again, this is a mini version of the Praxis, is still holding its own against my full size, if you will, EDC Tenacious. And, you know, arguably the Tenacious is a pocket dragger compared to this. For an everyday knife, you're not losing a lot of blade, and just functionality, just very significant for what you're getting in this small package. So it's holding its own against my Tenacious. Yeah, but can it cut? Let's grab some scrap paper here. And yes, it can. Wonderful factory edge out of the box. This passes the test, folks. I'm just loving this knife. So I wasn't even going to do this, but I have to bring in my Benchmade bug out. This is my everyday carry. It's so light, so amazing. But you're talking a lot more money. But for an EDC, I put this bug out through a lot. And I'll tell you what, my CIVIVI Mini Praxis flipper is probably going to get some more pocket time. I got news for my bug out. Just give you a little size perspective there. Bang for the buck. It's hard to beat the bug out, but that's CIVIVI for $30. Are you kidding me? Both knives are amazing, but the CIVIVI is definitely going to be in my rotation. What do you think? Last but not least, let's do a quick pocket shot here to see how this thing rides. And that deep carry clip, beautiful finish on that, is going to give you a lot of versatility. There is a bit of a pronounced flare on the point of the clip, but great retention and rides nice. So that is a wrap of our CIVIVI Mini Praxis flipper knife, and I am overwhelmed with how happy I am with this purchase. A sub $35 knife, could be an EDC knife for pretty much anybody. The blade length is under 3 inches, so it should be appropriate in a lot of settings. Check one out. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.